Hi, my name is Reagan. I'm a lead health wellness coach here, and I'm going to give you a little tour of our new free weight area. You'll notice we're coming up to our double half racks. Here is storage options for bands as well as barbells. Here's where we have spotting platforms, so you push them down. When you're done with them, go ahead and put them back up. Here's our pull-up options. We have two, one on the inside and one on the outside. Here's a landmine attachment where you can put a barbell in. Here's our band pegs to attach bands for variable resistance training. Here's how you remove our band pegs. You pull out the pin, slide it out, go on the back. There's a little holder, stick it in, and then just make sure you put the little pin on the bottom. Here's our J-cup. You move it by picking it up and sliding it out, and you look at the little window to determine what you need to move it to. Here's our safety catches. You move it the same way, and then you can look at the window to see where your placement is. All right, we're continuing along in our free weight area tour. We have a decline bench. You'll notice we added a new feature, the seated calf. And here's the Smith machine. And now we'll move to Anthony, where he will be explaining how to use the platform.
The platform should be used for performing Olympic lifts. Only one person should be using the platform at a time, and spotters should not be used for the Olympic lifts. Right now you're seeing a clean. This is a snatch. This is a clean from the hang position. This is a snatch from the hang position. This is a jerk from the rack position. This is a push press from the rack position. After completion of an exercise, the barbell should always be dropped in front of the lifter in a controlled manner and never propelled downward. Before dropping the barbell, the lifter must assure that the legs are out of the way. The barbell should be pushed well forward at the start of the intentional dropping motion, and the grip on the barbell should be released when it has passed the level of the shoulders. Release hands from the bar well before the barbell hits the platform, and make sure no body part is above the bar when this happens. Next, we're going to show some examples of how we do not want you to drop the barbell. The first one here being holding the barbell up overhead and simply dropping the weight. The next one being holding the barbell up overhead and propelling the barbell downward.
Now we're going to continue with the rest of the tour. Here's our power rack. This should be primarily used for squats. The fully enclosed cage is a safer option when squatting with heavier loads. Here is an example where a member is going to be using variable resistance training while using our band pegs. She's going to be squatting. And here she is benching. And here ends our free weight tour. We hope you enjoy it.